Commencing in the year 2004, the genesis of this endeavor can be traced back to the construction of a summer abode nestled within the sylvan expanse of Mar Azul. This undertaking emerged from the necessity to intercede within a dominion characterized by its resplendent scenic allure, possessing a potent untamed presence that is slowly succumbing to domestication. This transformation is chiefly attributed to the proliferation of residences, ranging from idyllic to picturesque, which bear no semblance to the natural milieu or the contemporary zeitgeist. This project materialized as an occasion to proffer novel contours, materials, and alternative utilities that would harmonize with this unique milieu. The endeavor was steered toward a form of architectural expression that would lend itself to leisurely habitation, its constitution and formalization born out of a profound attachment to the pre-existing reality. In so doing, the microclimate endemic to the maritime forest of Mar Azul was taken into account, as well as the ambiances it engendered. Moreover, there was an imperative to execute the construction remotely, a logistical challenge that exerted a pivotal influence over the aesthetical and structural decisions that dictated the course of the undertaking. To address the need for optimal light penetration within the dense woodland, the idea of housing was conceptualized as a semi-covered structure. This concept materialized through the employment of expansive glass panes, allowing for panoramic vistas from within and an exterior that mirrored the surrounding landscape. The exigency of expeditious execution, in order to facilitate remote monitoring from a distance of 400 miles, mandated the use of exposed concrete. This choice was underpinned by the assessment that the prevalent shade provided adequate thermal insulation from spring to late autumn. Given its status as a summer retreat, winterization was not a pressing concern, though contingencies were duly considered. The challenge of rainwater runoff was addressed through a judicious design of the structure's envelope. The expressive potency of exposed concrete, shaped within a wooden board formwork, was also anticipated to evoke a robust and mimetic presence, allowing for the seamless coexistence of the structure with its natural surroundings. In summary, a minimalistic blend of two materials, concrete and glass, proved to be the apt solution for the seamless integration of the structure with the environment. It also adeptly addressed concerns related to form, structure, functionality, maintenance, and completion. These principles guided the design and construction of the V+D SET. The two parcels in a dune with pronounced topography were deemed suitable for the construction of two housing units each. Although encircled by a dense coniferous forest, these plots were notably devoid of their own, as they had been planted only a few years prior. The client stipulation encompassed the creation of 4 year-round rental housing units, complete with a pool area, solarium, and a shared storage facility. These units were to be detached, featuring individual expansions, grill areas, and garages. The allocation of rooms within each unit was to be a subject of the studio's proposal, conforming to the unit's prerequisites. The square footage of construction was to maximize the limits prescribed by the applicable regulations. Upon entering the apartment, one finds themselves traversing the axial corridor. On one side unfolds the living area, bifurcated into two distinct sections by the presence of a hearth and a variegation in ceiling heights. On the opposing side, the dining area and kitchen beckon, with access to a private extension and a grill area. Ascending above, the entrance to the 2 bedrooms is located, including the primary suite with a private ensuite bathroom and an exclusive terrace. The construction of the set was realized through the use of exposed concrete slabs and partitions, meticulously cast within pine board formwork. H21 concrete was employed, incorporating a fluidifying agent to ensure a compact and impermeable result with minimal water content. The flooring was also executed in concrete screed, demarcated with aluminum inserts. The bathrooms featured Venecita finishes, while outdoor decking and terraces were fashioned from treated pine, fortified with a protective impregnating agent. The windows were of dark bronze anodized aluminum, and the heating system was an amalgamation of salamanders and hot air equipment. Remarkably, aside from the requisite furnishings like beds, sofas, and chairs, the remainder of the domicile's accoutrements were elegantly resolved in concrete.